X on the green and double on the...
Marta, are you ignoring me because I'm a female? Bro, if I would know that you're a female, I even put you more attention. I did not see your comment before. The comments are going really fast. No, definitely not. It's even cooler. It's cool that you have a girl here to talk. Okay, good luck. Enjoy. And now. Ooh, look at that juicy multiplier there. Cash hunt with 5 times multiplier. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Look at that, ladies and gents. Well, here we are at the Cash Hunt Studio. Let's apply 5 times multi to all of the walls. Come on, boom. Ha! Look at those beautiful multipliers. Well, 500 times multi is the max multiplier we can get right now. Let's start the carousel. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I see that my comment did that. Yes, I felt the girl's energy, you know, the feminine energy, and I was like, yeah, this is it. 5 times multi on Cash Hunt. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now you need to decide which of the targets is yours. I do hope we guys gonna get the 500 for most of you, or also 300, hundreds, a lot of, I can't speak. You know what I wanted to say. Just do your shot, everybody. You shut it down, bang, bang. 6 down, 3 right. What do you mean? 6 down, 3 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You think the apple? Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we can see 64 of you got a 500 times multi. Yes. Euros for you, David. 400 euros for you, 180 euros for the next guy. So now let's go. So yeah, there was no rest after vacation, although you know that after vacation you do need a little bit of a vacation. You do need a little time to rest a bit. If you instantly go back to work, you get more tired than you're supposed to. Alright, 5x showing up on a coin flip, let's go. And I will not have many of a free days, because tomorrow is my friend's birthday, so gonna spend the time there. Then on a Sunday I have to write my research paper for the university, so no time to rest, no time to rest at all. And then back to university, and anyway, time for the crazy time again. Time to choose your flopper. Green, blue, or yellow flopper is gonna be the flopper of the choice for you, huh? Alright, I see blue is leading, then goes yellow and green. Okay, well, good. Alright, come on, let's see what we're gonna get. Can we get that double there? There we go. 25x on the blue, 50x on the green, and yellow with the double, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, double on a yellow, so up to 200x, everything doubles up. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh, another double on the yellow, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Already everything doubled up to 400x. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Another double. Can we get that? Yes, we can. Another double, ladies and gentlemen, makes it up till 800x on a yellow flopper. Well, as always, best of luck, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, come on, come on, come on. Can we get another double, maybe?
or, ooh, 800X, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. 25X on blue, 50X on green, 800X on
Video
yellow.
finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.